stop your crying, be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. The world was so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keeping safe and warm. This one between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. But you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You'll be in my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be in my heart always. Why can't they understand the way we feel? They just don't trust it, they can't explain. I know they're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. And you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forever. Singing is a good thing now. We need each other to have and to hold. They say in time, I know. When destiny calls you, you must be strong. Could not be with you, but you got